Hello students, we are in class ninth. Our subject is Geography, chapter India, Size and Location, and the present topic is all about location of India on the world map. If we look at the world map, we have this latitude called the equator. Equator divides world map in the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And looking at these two spheres, we conclude that India lies here. That means India lies in northern hemisphere. We have one more line, this vertical line on this map called the prime meridian, which is 0 degree longitude. And compared to this, India lies here. That means India lies in the eastern hemisphere. Now, looking at the map of mainland India, we have southernmost point of mainland India, Cape Comorin, having latitude 8 degree 4 minutes north, and northernmost point of India, that which is Indra Col, having latitude 37 degrees 6 minutes north. That is, latitudinal extent of India, mainland India is 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degrees 6 minutes north. Now, the westernmost point of India is Guwahati. Its longitude is 68 degrees 7 minutes east, and the easternmost point of India is Kibithu. Its longitude is 97 degree 25 minutes east. That is, the longitudinal extent of India is 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. Besides mainland India, we know that we have some islands in the Arabian Sea called the Lakshadweep Islands and Minicoy Islands, and we have some Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal. So, considering the whole territory of India, including its islands, the southernmost point of India is then Indra Point, which is called Indra. It lies here. Its location is 6.7806 north. This is its latitude, and its longitude is 93.8259 degree east. Looking closely at this map, this is equator. That means India is here. It lies in the northern hemisphere. Now there is one more latitude here, which is 23.5 degree north, and this latitude is called Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states of India, and it divides India into almost two equal parts, the northern part and the southern part. Now we have a matching type for the students. In column A, we have longitudinal extent of India, latitudinal extent of mainland India, location of Indra Point, Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer passes through dash number of states of India, and you have to match these things with the column B. Here we have 68 degrees 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. Here we have 6.7806 degree north to 93.8259 degree east. And then again 23.5 degree north, 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north, and 8. You have to match the items in column A with the items in column B. And the next question is, name the states of India through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay connected if you want more videos on social science up to class 12th, NCERT 12th, and for any query, mail me at bashirgojri1 at the rate of gmail.com. BASHIRGOJREE 1 at the rate of gmail.com. Thank you.